Hey, what's up, Grind and Don't Quit crew? Wanted to come to you here. Gosh, this just seems to be so long ago, and I just found this hidden gem that I've had for a long time, and I wanted to literally share it with you. It's an ebook that I created, oh gosh, the beginning of 2020, and I was just going back through my stack of stuff and was looking at this ebook and was still utterly amazed at how, oh gosh, impactful it is. Just reading the reviews, just even reading through the ebook. The thing is, and let me just show you a picture of it here or show you it. This is the ebook, How to Build a Business Around Your Voiceover Skills. So many people think they have voiceover skills and have to find a business. It's about creating a business around the skills that you have. And this book goes so deep. It is a short read. It's 29 pages long. There is no fluff. It gets right into the point and lets you know exactly what it is that you need to be doing about how to build a business around your voiceover skills. I talk about how VO has changed. I talk about Fiverr and that industry. I talk about the freelance industry. I talk about how the whole landscape is looking then and how it's looking now. How technologies like Skype, Dropbox. There's a lot of things out here that we're just not utilizing. I talk about the different things that we can be going after: the solopreneurs, the mompreneurs, podcasters, content creators, authors, YouTubers, public speakers, small mom and pop shops, and the way to literally go after them. I'm actually giving you the farm here to show you exactly what it is that you need to be doing in order to come up to the times that we're living in now and stop participating in all these cattle calls that are going on all over the world, and start creating your own business centered around your voiceover skills. I've got links in here to trainings. I've got links in here to applications that you need to use. I've got links in here to a ton of stuff. And that's why I say there's no fluff in this. I'm flipping through it as we go. There is no fluff in this at all. Links out the yin yang and letting you know exactly what you should be doing. I think one of the most hardest hitting points that I go through, even in this whole thing, not only just about leads and client acquisition, but understanding that you are in sales. You can see here we go through email marketing. I'm giving you training on exactly how to do that. The freelance sites, P2P, social media, it is all in here and it is in depth. No fluff. But again, one of the main things I want you guys to know and understand that, look, if you are not, and I'll just flip it back to the main page here for the cover, if you don't understand that you are a salesperson, that you are in sales and marketing, you're not going to win. Yes, you're a voiceover artist. Yes, you can lay down an audio track with some music behind it. But the thing about it is, if you don't understand that your number one job is to get the client, it is all about sales and marketing. You got to get this in. I want you to go grab this ebook right now, dirt cheap. Grab it, get it, implement what's inside of it, and watch your voiceover career literally take off to the next level. You guys know me. I'm Earl Hall. I'm all about the grind and don't quit. Go grab the book.